In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Clipchamp app cache. Whether you're troubleshooting performance issues or simply trying to free up some space on your device, clearing the cache can be a helpful step. Let's walk through the process together and make sure you're all set to get this done without hassle. To begin, make sure that the Clipchamp app is completely closed. You want to ensure it's not running in the background, as this could interfere with the cache clearing process. Close it out entirely to make certain that you're able to proceed smoothly. Next, navigate to your device settings. This is where all of the preferences and options for your applications and device features reside. It's typically recognizable by an icon that looks like a gear. Once you're in the settings menu, you're on the right track. Now locate the section labeled apps. Sometimes it might be called applications or something similar, depending on your specific device or operating system. This part of your settings is where you can manage everything related to the apps you've installed. Once you've entered the apps section, you'll want to click on Installed Apps. This will display a list of all applications currently installed on your device. It's a great way to see all the tools and programs you have at your disposal. Find Clipchamp in the list. You can usually scroll through alphabetically, and Clipchamp should be listed right after the apps starting with the letter C. If you have many apps, consider using a search feature if it's available to save some time. When you've located Clipchamp, look to the right of its name and click on the three dots that appear there. These dots often indicate more options or settings specific to that application, so clicking them will reveal additional functionality. The next move is to click on Advanced Options from the menu that appears. Advanced Options will have the in-depth settings for the app, including permissions and storage management, which is where you'll find the cache data. In the Advanced Options, you should see a section labeled Reset. This is where you can either modify app data or reset it entirely to address any issues intercepted with the cache. Finally, go ahead and click on Reset. Before you proceed, remember that resetting might delete some app-specific data and preferences, but your essential files will remain intact. This step is key in clearing out the cache, which should help in resolving any performance issues you might be experiencing. And there you have it, you've successfully cleared the Clipchamp app cache. This simple yet effective task can greatly enhance your app experience and improve performance.